In this video, I'm going to show you how to check whether you can use OneDrive Home with Copilot features and how to tell if your account actually has access. This is a quick and useful tutorial if you're trying to open files in OneDrive and see whether Microsoft Copilot is available for summaries, analysis, or other AI-powered help. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Microsoft OneDrive in your browser. You can do this by going to onedrive.live.com and signing in with your Microsoft account. Once you're inside OneDrive, open a Word, Excel, or PowerPoint file. This is important because the Copilot option usually appears when you're working with supported Microsoft 365 file types. Now look at the top toolbar and scan for a button that says Copilot. If you can see the Copilot button, that means your account supports Microsoft 365 Copilot features, at least in that current setup. Once you see it, click Copilot to open the AI tools and start using features like summaries, document help, data analysis, or content assistance depending on the file type. If the Copilot button does not appear, that usually means your Microsoft account does not currently have Copilot access enabled. In many cases, Copilot requires a supported Microsoft 365 Copilot subscription or a business or school license that includes the feature. It can also depend on your region and whether Microsoft has rolled out access to your account yet. So if you don't see it, don't assume something is broken right away. Instead, check whether you're signed into the correct Microsoft account and confirm whether your plan includes Copilot. If you're using a work or school account, your organization may need to enable it for you. If you're using a personal OneDrive Home account, Copilot features may not be available unless your subscription specifically includes them. The key thing to remember is that the Copilot button is the easiest way to verify access. If it's there, you can use the feature. If it's missing, your account likely doesn't have the required license or rollout yet. So to recap, open OneDrive, open a Word, Excel, or PowerPoint file, and check the top toolbar for Copilot. That one button tells you whether your account is ready for Microsoft 365 Copilot features. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.